have you ever thought about the 31 business opportunity? Have you ever thought about making some extra money, maybe starting a side gig? I would love to introduce the idea of becoming a 31 consultant with you. So a lot of people actually join 31 for three different reasons. Number one, they want to make some extra money. That was me. Number two, they might just want some girl time to get out of the house, to meet new people. It's a great opportunity for that. And then number three, to feed their habit. They love 31 so much that they want to get it at a discount or even earn it for free. So kind of like all three of those were reasons that I wanted to join it, but especially to make some extra money. But anyways, I wanted to share with you guys my 31 enrollment kit with you, but I also wanted to share with you guys, if you join my 31 team, you will have me. You will get me as your consultant. I will help you get off to a great start. I will be your biggest cheerleader. I will help you with your launch party, whether you're local to me or whether you're not local and we do it online. You'll also get access to my team page on Facebook. And then when you join, of course, you're going to get access to our 31 Today website with all of our tools that 31, our home office, provides us. So here's the enrollment kit. It's so awesome. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So when you're enrolling as a consultant, you have two different options to enroll, okay? So you can choose our $99 kit, our signature kit, or you can choose our $130 custom kit. Both kits have the same products, but the thing is, with the $130 custom kit, you get to customize your kit, which means you get to pick your own prints. You get to choose your own personalization on the items that are personalized, which is super cool. It's so excited. So that's kind of a newer option that we have offered to our new consultants. So your enrollment kit is going to come in a pink 31 box. So when it does come in that pink box, do not throw the box away. Keep that box, because if you're doing vendor events or anything that you need a 31 display, like maybe a centerpiece, this box is perfect for that. Plus, you can carry your products in there on the way to your event. So on the inside of your enrollment kit, you're going to see a large utility tote. So the large utility tote is our #1 selling product, and we are setting you up for success from the very beginning. All right, so it's going to come in this garden sketch print. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it will come, if you choose a $99 kit, it will come with the pineapple on there. And this is a newer embroidery style for that pineapple. I'm in love with it. So that's the large utility tote. It's our #1 selling product, and we've had it for years and years, and it is just tried and true. Everybody, when they think of 31, even before I joined 31, I didn't quite know what it was. I knew what a large utility tote was, and I knew that I wanted one. All right. The next item, since we're still talking about utility, is the round utility tote. So this is something that is newer this season. It's brand new, and then it's got that round look. The round look is in, you guys. 31 does a lot of research on trends, and the round look is definitely in. You've got the pocket here. This is in the Desert Dash print. If you carry it, on your shoulder, it's going to look like this. A great tote. And then on the inside, it has the same interior as our large utility tote. So it's got that laminated interior. So if something spills in there, you can just wipe it right out. Sand, just shake it out. Water will bead off of it, if it's rain or anything like that. And then you've got a flat pocket back here. So this is the round utility tote that's also going to come in your kit. We will move right along. You will get a mini zipper pouch in that same print with hello personalized on here. So this would be one of the items, if you chose that $130 kit, this would be one of the items that you could personalize with whatever you'd like on there. All right, so this is a little mini zipper pouch. It's perfect to slide down inside that round utility tote. A great little set right here. Show that right there. Oh, look how cute that is. All right, the next item we have this is called the Littles Carry-All Caddy. This is in that tip-top chevron print. Super cute. These are so handy at Christmas time. They make great gifts at Christmas time. I sell a ton of these at Christmas. But great teacher gifts too. You could put a square box of Kleenexes in there, hand sanitizer, things for the teachers. I mean, these are just fantastic. We use them for remotes in our house. We just use these all over. All right, the next item we have is our close to home caddy. This is in the gray washed wood, and it has the 3 little sections right there. So our close to home collection, our wood collection, is made of mango wood, and that mango wood comes from India. So no piece of any kind of wood is exactly the same. So it's the same thing with our close to home collection. No piece is the same. And this will come with the $99 kit. It will come with welcome etched on there. And then you've got your wrought iron details on here. So I use these. This would be great with welcome on there in your kitchen to put your utensils in here. Great at a wedding and baby showers. I actually use one of these over here on my desk for my pens, scissors, calculator. I love this thing. All right, the next item I have to share with you guys, this is the Around Town Tote in the denim distressed pebble. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And of course, our Around Town Tote is going to have that cell phone pocket right here. And then on the inside, of course, you guys know our Around Town Tote is absolutely huge. It's so deep, it can hold your work things. It can go from work to on the street bag. And then you've got your 2 flat interior pockets and a zipper pocket back here. So I'm in love with this Around Town Tote. And this Around Town Tote by itself is $78, okay? But you're getting this kit for $99. So, I mean, you guys can see the benefit of this enrollment kit and how 31 is putting these products in your hands for you to share and make money. All right, the next one is, this is called the Thermal Tote. This Thermal Tote was actually my very first purchase from 31 about 10 years ago, and I still have that Thermal Tote. But this has the garden sketch on the top and then the tip-top chevron on the bottom. You've got your handles right here, which makes it perfect for younger kids. And then, of course, on the inside, it is thermal lined here. So our Thermal Totes can hold like 6 16-ounce water bottles, and it will zip up. It's tight, but it will zip up, just for a size comparison for you. And then the last product is called the Keep It Cool Thermal Backpack, and I did have this just a second ago, and I unzipped it, but I'll zip it back up at the end. But this is something that's brand new. It is a backpack, but it's thermal. This is in our chestnut distress pebble. It's absolutely gorgeous. You've got this big deep pocket on the front. You got a nice sturdy handle right here, and then on the back you have your backpack straps here, and of course they're adjustable. And then when you open it up, it's actually thermal lined all the way down. So for size comparison, like you could fit like 2-liter bottles in here, 2 wine bottles. Mike could even fit 3 wine bottles in here. And then we'll zip it up just to kind of show you what it looks like zipped up, just like that. So this enrollment kit is worth over $350 in products, plus your business supplies. So you're gonna get a pack of catalogs with your enrollment kit. So the pack of catalogs by themselves is $15. So you're getting this kit, you know, at a very discounted price. And then you're gonna get other business supplies like Hostess flyers and things like that. So if you're thinking that 31 may be for you, if you're like, hey, I may wanna give it a try, I would love to answer any questions that you may have. You can comment below. I will also link below a way to get a hold of me on Facebook, so you can reach out to me if you do not have a consultant and you would like to join my customer group on Facebook. Just click the link below, answer my 2 questions, and then I'm gonna send you a private message. So make sure that you check your message request folder. Since we're not friends, they're gonna put it in another folder. So make sure you check that folder in your Facebook messages, because I'm gonna reach out to you in a personal message, and that way we can connect that way and hopefully get you added to my customer group on Facebook. But I would love to share the 31 opportunity with you. I have consultants on my team all across the United States, all the way from Georgia to California. So I love helping ladies get off to a great start. And I love working with ladies who want something. Like, do you want something? Do you have a goal? Like when I joined, I wanted to take my son to Disney World. So that was my goal. I wanted to pay for our Disney trip. So think about it. Do you have a goal? Do you have something that you want to work for? Do you just want to get out of the house? That's fine too. But think about that and then reach out to me, and I would love to chat with you about 31. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss anything. And I hope we'll talk soon. See y'all.